Hello again, pre-primaries. This is our last video about learning about the Aboriginal people and the 6 Noongar seasons. So if you can remember from our first video, we learned all about the seasons and how they are different from the seasons that we already know about. We also learned that the Noongar people are from the southwest corner of Western Australia, which is where we live. We learnt about the first season, which was called Barak. This season was very hot and dry, just like our summer, and there was an abundance of animals and plants on the land during this season, so the Noongar people were very happy. In our second video, we learnt about 2 new seasons. So we learnt about the second season, which was called Banuru, and during this season, there was lots of berries and flowers and seeds for the Noongar people to eat. There were hot easterly winds, and orange symbolised this season for the abundance of fishing and because there was no rain. The third season was called Duran, and this season families moved further inland along the Swan River to get ready for the rains and because it was starting to get cold. Light green symbolised this season for the eucalyptus trees that were around and because it was starting to get cooler. In our third video, we learnt 2 new seasons again. Been doing lots of learning. So in this video, we learnt about the 4th season, which was called Makuru. During this season, it was the first rain. And if you can remember, it was really stormy and wet, just like our winter. Dark blue symbolised this season because of the storms. The 5th season was called Jilba. During this season, the Noongar people would dig up native potatoes from wonju plants. And it started to get a little bit more warm during the day, but still cold during the night. Pink and purple would symbolise this season for the growth of the wildflowers and the plants. Now we're going to learn about the 6th and the final season, which was right at the end of the year. This season was called Camberang. Can you try and say Camberang? Well done. This season was from October to November, and this was called the wildflower season because there was lots of beautiful plants around again, especially after all of the rain. There were long, dry days and the people could move back to the coast where they could go fishing again. The Noongar people were very, very happy during this season because there were lots of food, because there was plants, there were animals, and lots of trees. Yellow and gold symbolised this season because it was hot again and because everyone was happy. What I would like you to have a go at doing today is think about your favourite animal, and I would like you to describe your favourite animal just like you're telling news to somebody.